Good morning, everyone. I'm Miss Olivia, and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. Are you ready for story time this morning? Yay! All right, our opening song is Hello Friends. All right, everyone, get your fingers warmed up because this one is hand motions. So I'm going to teach you all the motions, okay? We're going to bring our hand up to our head and out for hello. Our two fingers are going to hug because they're friends. We're going to tap our watch for it's time. Bring our finger up to our mouth and out to say hello. All right, so that's the ASL version. Are you ready to sing with me? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. Okay, so we've done ASL, we've done English. Now we need to do our third language, which is Spanish. I know it sounds tough, but I promise I'll teach you everything. So we're going to bring our head up to our head and out for hola. Bring our fingers together in a hug because they are amigos. We're going to tap our watch for es tiempo. Bring our finger up to our mouth and out. A decir hola. Excellent. Okay, here we go. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Es tiempo a decir hola. Very good. Now that we've had our opening song, we jump right into a book, right? I forgot something. Oopsie, what did I forget? Our other song? Well, okay then. So we're going to sing I Wake Up My Hands, okay? The first thing we're going to do is clap. Are you ready? It goes to the tune of Buffalo Gals from my parents. I wake up my hands with a clap, 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 a clap, 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 a clap, clap, clap. I wake up my hands with a clap, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I wake up my feet with a stomp, 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 a stomp, 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 a stomp, stomp, stomp. I wake up my feet with a stomp, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I wake up my eyes with a blink, 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 blink. I wake up my eyes with a blink, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. I'll wake up my hips with a shake, 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 shake. I wake up my hips with a shake, 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 and wiggle my waggles away. Gosh, that was so fun. Did you get all your wiggles out? Maybe enough for one story? Okay, let's give it a try. We'll have our first book. Now that we've had some fun songs to get us warmed up and ready, we're going to have our first book today. It's called Woodpecker Wham by April Pulley Sayer because our story time today is about birds. And we're going to make a nest later. All right, let's get started. Swoop and land, hitch and hop, shred a tree stump, chop, chip, chop. Look at those beautiful woodpeckers. Instant message, tap 1, 2. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Now back to you. How many woodpeckers are on this page? Can you count with me? We've got 1 and 2. Very good. Early insects click and crawl, flick and flake to find them all. Nom, 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 nom. Do you like to eat bugs? No, it's yucky. Well, these woodpeckers love it. Spring sap rises. Who will drill? Sapsucker, sapsucker, sticky bill. When you eat pancakes, do you get syrup on your mouth? That's exactly what this guy's doing. Fan those feathers, shower clean, sunbathe dry, then oil and preen. Gotta keep those wings all nice and ready to fly, don't we? Raise that crest, bob and bow, flash those wings, it's time to wow. Start a home, build to bark, dig it, deep and dark. Is that a woodpecker's house? Is that where they live? Yeah? Let's see. Wedge it, sledge it, wham by wham, clear those chips, slam, slam, slam. Gosh, they're noisy birds, aren't they? Hawks a-hunting. Stop, drop, hide. Quiet on the other side. Cherries, berries, pluck and feed. Leave a dropping full of seed. Do you like cherries or berries? I sure do. I think they're yummy. Tap, tap, tap. Where? Look and see. Crick, crick, crack. 6 chicks break free. They're pretty funny looking when they're bored. Hungry mouths and begging calls. Hunt, hunt, pick, quick, feed them all. What does Mama Bird have in her beak? Is that a bug? A yummy, yummy bug for a little birdie? Yeah? I don't want to eat it. The birds can have it. Fledglings fly. Oops! Fledglings flop. Chase and feed. When will it stop? Is that a grasshopper? They're gonna eat a whole grasshopper. Ew, yuck. Fluffy fledglings now are grown. Waka, waka, on their own. What's gonna happen now that they're all grown? Fall is falling. Acorns plunk. Pry seeds, pull seeds, fill a trunk. Do you think the squirrel's gonna get those acorns? I don't know, maybe. I hope the woodpeckers know where they left them. Leave that tree hole, start one new. Who will move in after you? I don't know, let's see. Build to bark, build, slam, slam, slam. Chip and chop, woodpecker wham. And if you want to learn more about woodpeckers, check out the Fort Worth Public Library database page. The end. All right, everybody. We've all learned went the little green frog one day. But have you heard of his friend, the little brown owl? Okay, here we go. This verse goes, hoot, hoot went the little brown owl one day. Here we go. Hoot, hoot went the little brown owl one day. Hoot, hoot went the little brown owl. Hoot, hoot went the little brown owl one day, and they all went hoot, hoot, hoot. But we know owls say la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We know owls say la-di-da-di-da. They don't say hoot, hoot, hoot. That was very silly. And I have another silly verse. Are you ready? This one is the Little Red Squirrel. Here we go. Jump, jump, went the little red squirrel one day. Jump, jump, went the little red squirrel. Jump, jump, went the little red squirrel one day. And they all went jump, jump, jump. But we know squirrels say rub-a-dub-a-dub, 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 we know squirrels say. Rub-a-dub-a-dub, they don't say, they don't go jump, jump, jump. That was really fun. I think we should do one more song before our book. Do you think so? Very good. Okay, we are going to do zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. You ready? It comes with hand motions, so we're going to go zoom, zoom, zoom. Take 2 fingers and we're going to point because we're going to the moon, and then make a little crescent moon with your hand. Now this part is tough, but I know you can do it. Set up your launch pad. Make R for rocket, rocket ship. Very good. Sing along when you're ready. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Climb aboard my rocket ship if you want to take a trip. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! That was really fun. Do you want to do it again? Okay, let's do it. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Climb aboard my rocket ship if you want to take a trip. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! That was so much fun. Now on to our next book. All right, everyone, are we ready for our second story today? We are. Awesome. Okay, our second book today is Mommy, Mommy by Taro Gomi. To get pretty close, it's a little book. Mommy, Mommy. Where is Mother Hen? I don't see her. Do you? Here I am. There she is. Mommy, Mommy. Where is Mother Hen? Is she over there? Is she over here? She's not. Where's she at? She right there? Yes, very good. Here I am. What's gonna happen now? Mommy, Mommy. Can you find Mother Hen? Oh, is that her hiding right there behind those bushes? Let's find out. Oops. Guess that wasn't Mother Hen. That was a beautiful flower. Let's see. Mommy, Mommy. Could that be Mother Hen? Hiding behind those boulders there? I'm not sure. What do you think? Oopsie. Uh-oh. He looks upset. I wonder what kind of animal that is. Is he maybe a fox? I don't know. Ah! Mommy, Mommy, where is Mother Hen? Can you find her? Is she in this bush? I don't know. I don't see her. Is she in the tree? I don't know. I don't see her there either. Is she hiding on top of the hen house? Maybe. There you are. They found her. She was on top of the hen house. Gosh, it must have taken them all day, because look at that sunset. Chickies, chickies, time to go home. All right. They found Mother Hen, and all is well. The end. We have another song to sing. We're going to sing 5 Little Ducks today. Can you get out all 5 ducks? All right, it has a few hand motions, and if you know the song, sing with me. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, quack, quack. 4 little ducks came waddling back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, quack, quack. 3 little ducks came waddling back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, quack, quack. 2 little ducks came waddling back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, quack, quack. 1 little duck came waddling back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, quack, quack. No little ducks came waddling back. Mother duck was very upset. She said, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks came waddling back. Alrighty, friends, we've almost practiced all 5 skills today. I'm so very proud of you. Do you remember what all 5 skills there are? Let's name them together. Now we have a little finger motion to help us remember. Take out your first finger and write your name in the air, because our first skill is writing. Now take out 2 fingers, turn it on its side to make a mouth, because our second skill is talking. Talk, 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 talk. And our third skill, we're going to bring our 3 up to our chin, la la la, because our third skill is singing. Now take out 2 4s and bring them together in the middle to make a book, because our 4th skill is reading. Now we need to take out 2 5s, bring down the middle 3. Our 5th skill is playing. All right, so we have done some singing, talking, reading. We haven't done writing yet, but we have done playing. We have 1 more story, and then we're going to do our craft, and that's where we'll practice our writing skill. All right, let's get on to our next book. We've been reading all about birds and singing about them, but you know what birds eat? Bugs! Bugs, bugs, bugs! Exactly, so let's learn a little bit about that. This book, Bugs, 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 is by Bob Barner. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Here, there, there. So many bugs. I want to see bugs. Where do bugs live? Butterflies that flutter in the sky. How beautiful. Do you need to go outside to see bugs? Yeah? Let's see what else is here. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. Friendly daddy longlegs that never bite. Have you seen a daddy longlegs? They live up to their name, don't they? They have very long legs. Grasshoppers hopping out of sight. Wow, look at those powerful legs. A fuzzy caterpillar with teeny tiny feet. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Look at all of those ants. I bet there's more than 10 on this page. Do we want to see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ants. Oh my gosh, that's so many. Who else is out here with us? Roly-poly bugs that curl up when I touch. Have you seen them do this? Yep, our little roly-poly friends. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I can see buggy bugs all around me. Look at all of those wonderful bugs. Oh, look. We get to see our friends again. Let's see which bugs are in this book. We have a bee, a grasshopper, a ladybug, an ant, a caterpillar, a roly-poly bug, a butterfly, and a daddy longlegs. And there's even a bug-o-meter in this book. That's so neat. So if you have questions, it will answer them. Like, can it fly? Where does it live? How many legs does it have? And does it sting? A very important question. But to learn more, you can also go to the Fort Worth Public Library database page. Don't forget to log in with your library card. So we're done with our third book today. And now we're going to do our craft. We are going to make a nest for our birdie friends today. Since today's theme was about birds and about nature, we're going to turn our paper bag that our crafts came in into a nest. Now, this one is super easy, and this one really helps develop your little one's motor skills. All right, and you can use grass or twigs or found objects from outside to decorate your nest and make it look more realistic. So are you ready? Here we go. I'm gonna open up the bag, make it stand up. What we want is to roll the bag down all the way to the bottom, okay? And it works like this. And carefully turn it inside out at the top. If it rips, don't worry about it, just fold it under. I'm gonna keep rolling and folding. And rolling and folding. Until we get to the bottom. See, it looks like a little bird's nest. You can use any of those found objects from outside like grass or twigs. And now you've got your very own bird's nest. Thanks so much for joining me for story time today, friends. We only have one thing left to do. We need to sing our goodbye song, don't we? It's the same melody as Hello Friends, only this time we're gonna say goodbye. So we're gonna go over our hand signs. Goodbye. We're gonna take our two fingers and they're gonna hug because they're friends. We're gonna tap our watch for it's time. Bring our finger up to our mouth and out to say goodbye. Here we go. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Okay, we've done it in English. We've done it in ASL. Are you ready for the Spanish? Here we go. We'll go over our signs. Adios. Our fingers are gonna hug because they are amigos. We're gonna tap our watch for es tiempo. Bring our finger up and out. A decir adios. Here we go. Adios, amigos. Adios, amigos. Adios, amigos. Es tiempo a decir adios. Thanks, friends. See you next time. Bye.